So let's go ahead and begin. So thank you guys over at Wiggins Hair for sending me over their loose deep wave bundles in 24 inches. They sent me over a 6x6 lace closure, transparent lace closure. As you guys could see, I'm not too much of a fan of the transparent closures because I'm a deeper skin tone, and I just feel like no matter how much foundation you put on it, I just feel like it's going to be white. It's going to give off a white cast. So these are the bundles. They did send over 4 of them, and again, they did all come in 24 inches. So I wanted to take a bundle and basically brush out the curls for you guys. Here's the packaging, the tags and stuff like that. I don't know where the footage is of like the box or the bag, but yeah, I don't know. But anyways, I just wanted to like brush out the curls on camera for you guys. But anyways, I am making a removable quick weave wig, and I'm going to do it a different way for you guys than I've done in my previous videos. Now this video was filmed previously all the way back in December, so I have been wearing this hair on and off until May, in which you guys would see at the end of the video of what the hair looks like now. So anyways, I am going to be making a quick weave unit, you guys. I feel like this is the quickest way to make a wig unit, especially if you just do not know how to make wigs. I have a couple of these on my channel right now, so I will try to make and put everything into one playlist, but I'm just going to show you guys how I made this wig today, and then I'll come back and show you guys and talk about the hair and how it's been doing up until May. Here we are in May, you guys. I decided to transform this wig because I saw this picture and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna do this, so why not just do it on the loose deep wave hair texture, and also just give you guys like a 5-month review update on this hair as well, to just show you guys how the hair has been handling and things like that, and the longevity of this hair. I also haven't been doing any of these types of videos in a very long time, you guys, so I needed to put this review up, and why not just show you guys how the hair has been doing since then. So anyways, the picture was basically like super voluminous, like short curly hair, or it's not really short, but you know, it's like shoulder length type hair, and I think this length also looks really good on me, so I just wanted to do it for you guys. But anyways, this is a 6x6 transparent lace closure. I'm not a fan of the transparent closures at all because I just feel like it gives off a white cast, and especially because I'm a deeper skin tone, it just does not look good all the time. You have to put like a lot of foundation on it, and if you put it under, it's not really going to make a difference. You have to put it on the top, but I really just don't like transparent closures. I've tried them multiple times, and this probably will be my last time, like, you know, reviewing one, because I just don't like them. They just give off a white cast. It just does not matter. Also, I seen Alonzo Arnold. If you guys don't know him, he's like a weaveologist, a wigologist, a hairstylist, celebrity hairstylist. He's also said that transparent lace just it gives off a white cast. Like, it doesn't matter what skin tone you is, it's going to give off a white residue. So I mean, I'm just trying to put that in there because I know I'm not tripping. But anyways, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I apply my wig and how I'm going to make this look good and, you know, make it blend into my skin tone. Again, I had to put foundation on it so that it can blend and so that I won't see too much of the white cast. But anyways, I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to, you know, pull out these curls and things like that. And I'll talk to you guys at the end of the video. So I'm going to go ahead and pull my curls out, you guys, and this is how I'm going to basically like get my hair to be really, really voluminous, because a lot of you guys always don't understand how I get my hair so big, and it's just like, girl, I just know how to finesse. But anyways, for the longevity of this hair, again, it's been 5 months since I first had this wig on, and you guys, I feel like it's been doing really good. It's been holding up really well. And also, this hair is not even freshly washed. I just decided to like put curls to it, or heat to it, with the curls that I previously had, which was the loose deep wave curls. So I feel like it's been doing pretty well, you guys. I mean, it could give it could need a wash or whatever, whatnot, but I mean, I still feel like it's pretty good hair. It's been holding up. It's been 5 months, and it's really soft as well. So I would have to give this hair a 10 out of 10 for the quality. For the closure, it looks good. As you guys could see, it looks good and it's blending really good into my skin. But again, I know how to make shit look good, so that's why it looks good. But I'm not too much of a fan of the 6x6 transparent closures, but it works for others. That's pretty much all that I have for you guys. I thank you guys so much for continuing to love and watch and love me. I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed this transformation on this hair. I really love it. If it was fall, this whole look would have been popping, but it's not. But I still think that it's a nighttime look. But anyways, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media at _REBIANASYMONE and Rebiana on Snapchat. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.